Good morning guys, this is John from Boston Car Detailing, and in today's video I want to show you what car I have in my garage and what I'm going to do to this car. I'm going to explain to you step by step. Now I'm going to turn the camera for you so you'll be able to see the car. So yeah, it's a Range Rover Evoque 66 plate, lovely car, good looking car. You can see she's looking nice, but not enough. That's why she's with me. So this is the way he looks, or she looks. Amazing. I'm going to show you the interior. Like usually, maybe you just want to see the inside. It's looking nice. I like the color combination, black and red. I think it's looking nice. Lovely interior, a luxury car. Like it. Yeah, so the owner brings the car to me because he just bought the car, I think, a couple of weeks ago, and he wants the car to look more shiny, more glossy, and to add some protection. And that's why I'm going to do exterior detailing. I actually already did it yesterday, so the car now is ready for machine polishing. This is the state of the paint. So I'm going to do a single stage machine polishing just to remove the swirl marks, fine scratches, oxidation, and bring back the gloss, and add some protection to be easier to maintain. UV protection, hydrophobicity as well, so the water is not going to stick to the paint. And here I did a test spot. Just let me take the light. So this is where I did a test just to see what exactly I need to use, what pad, what compound I need to do to get the best results in one step. So this is the state of the paint. You can see a lot of scratches, swirl marks, medium scratches to deeper scratches as well. So basically this is the result we're going to have with a single step. Now this is before and this is after. Of course it's not going to be perfect. We are not chasing perfection with a single stage machine polishing. This is just to enhance and to remove some fine defects. You can see, always do my best. Right, so this is the before, and I will come back with another video when the car is ready to show you the finish results. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.